Ever stumbled on a '59 Ford F100 tucked away in a dusty old barn? That's exactly how this adventure started. The doors swung open, interior surprisingly intact, thanks to solid glass still holding tight. First clue, it had been parked for decades, weeds growing up past the axles. Digging through the trunk, I found a crusty old fuel pump tossed beside a carb kit, classic smoking gun. With a beautiful gal by my side, we yanked the seized pump and swapped in a rebuilt unit. Fresh fuel, a quick prime, and that Y-block V8 barked back to life after years of silence. The old farm truck rumbled out of the barn on its own power. After a quick brake bleed and a thorough shine, thanks again to my lovely assistant, she looked too good to keep. Listed it online that very night. By morning, a buyer from 2 towns over showed up, cash in hand. Not only did it sell fast, but the profit put a real smile on my face. Sometimes it's all about spotting the right clue in the trunk. Ever rescue a classic with just a simple fix? Let's hear your stories.